This is Vitality app, and we are Alex Beristenko, Tara Herman, and Diana Kaiser. Our team believes that the idea of rewarding healthy behavior based on real-time data gathered through wearable devices can have a significantly positive impact on the overall healthcare system in the U.S. This practice can fulfill all triple aim dimensions while utilizing the latest available technology. We propose to create a new application used by healthcare providers which will utilize data from approved wearable devices already on the market as well as new devices to be developed by our company. Information gathered from client patient will be used by insurance companies and healthcare facilities. The problem and opportunity. We believe that with all the available technology gathering health data, there is currently a disconnect between obtained data and those who could use it to do the most good in the healthcare sector. Our company can build the proverbial bridge between vital data gathered in real time by wearable devices and healthcare providers and insurers who are yearning for it. Privacy of patient-client information was a roadblock for many healthcare facilities wanting that data to improve population health. Healthcare providers and insurance companies will have full access to patient information and vitals. However, data being used by healthcare research will be provided while maintaining the anonymity of the client patient. These terms will be clearly specified in the contract. Getting our application into our clients' hands can allow hospital staff to monitor outpatient vitals and determine success of treatment. In certain instances, hospitals can have a faster response time to potentially fatal issues with their patients. Also, the data will allow them to better equip and prepare for influx of certain detected diseases. Real-time data tracking is useful to both medical and insurance providers since it can give insight into health and recovery and allow for better forecast future operational strategy. Also, the new system and outcomes will save people money by reducing healthcare expenditures. This preventative measure can have an enormous impact on community health status given the right incentives such as the discounts provided by the insurance companies. Another interesting benefit is that the technology can be faster improved and developed due to more frequent use and larger user base. Healthcare research and development facilities have the opportunity to buy this data from insurance companies, which will offset the revenue lost by giving individuals discounts. It is an opportunity of interconnectedness in the healthcare field that will allow small communities to the nation as a whole take a proactive approach to leading healthier lifestyles. This in turn can allow for a more productive workforce who could progress the U.S. to new heights. The application will have different views based on level of access requested as well as the license purchased. Initially, the application will have 4 main view options: healthcare employee, health insurance provider, basic, and trial. We will offer license bundles and discounts based on the requested user pool. The options will be single license, 5 to 10, 10 to 50, and 100 plus. Healthcare providers will be able to track their patients' vitals like heart rate, glucose levels, blood pressure, respiration rate, and temperature, which can be used to track the client patient's health status at any given time. For insurance companies, their view can be focused on ensuring that their clients adhere to good healthy practices such as exercising and healthy eating options. Both segments will give service discounts based on compliance and participation. There is plenty of value delivered to both healthcare providers as well as insurers. Both can better monitor their clients in order to make sure that everyone is benefiting from incentivized, healthier lifestyles. Increased visibility in their patients' vitals will allow healthcare providers to make better and more educated decisions in terms of care. Insurance will be able to reward people with good behavior and habits for basically doing things which will keep them healthier and hence use their insurance less frequently. Also, insurers can share data across medical, dental, vision, and even life segments to come up with better plans and rates for their clients. Hospitals having insight into how their patients are recovering can better tweak medications and procedures to have them heal faster and increase satisfaction, as well as monitor for emergency situations if patients' vitals are abnormal. For patients with most valuable outcomes from this practice can be saving money on both medical procedures and insurance costs. Secondly, and what should be the most important benefit, is that the data provided will help them remain healthier. Lastly, healthcare facilities can purchase this real-time data to allow for better preparedness at signs that the health status of the community is deteriorating and preventative measures can be taken. Furthermore, healthcare research can purchase data to lead even more innovations in the field. The possibilities that this data would offer could alter the lives of many for the better. At the patient level, individuals will be able to see their progress through multiple platforms and know that their health status is being monitored for health risk signals that could have the potential of saving their lives. To our knowledge, there are currently a few competitors that are planning on doing similar application development. It seems that there are many of the players focused on their own specific area of the bigger process integration, which we will be developing. Apple has recently showed off updates to their iWatch wearable, which now allows for tracking of multiple heart rates during pregnancies. Google is coming out with a contact lens to track glucose levels and help diabetic patients. John Hancock Insurance and their Vitality program utilizes Fitbits and their data to receive health insurance discounts. As Dr. Martin states, innovation is the recombination of assets. Based on our research, currently there are no other companies which are planning to combine data from multiple wearable devices, feed it into an analysis application, and sell it to clients. Also, our plan to eventually partner with hospitals, healthcare facilities, and medical hardware manufacturers to develop custom devices which will hopefully combine all sensors of various devices to give us a better view from a single device into the vital data from clients. We will fully realize that innovation is not always a breakthrough, but a process of breaking from the past. We feel that this is true in our case since we're not really recreating the wheel, but are combining a set of available technologies into a single product which should return plenty of value. Our product will provide the integration necessary for the succession of the healthcare field into a new, unified, progressive state. Healthcare facilities and insurance companies will be motivated to improve the health of their patients' clients. More companies will purchase the applications due to improved public image in trying better population health, or decreased overall healthcare costs for healthcare providers, insurance companies, and patients. The data gathered could be sold to other healthcare research facilities and will lead to profit generation with granted permission from the clients or patients. The contract would use wearable devices would state that client-patient agrees to disclose vital information in order to provide healthcare monitoring in emergency health situations in return. The contract will also require healthcare facilities to indicate which projects the application was used in. Marketing will indicate what innovations will be a result of the data being provided by the application. As the healthcare market realizes the use and benefit of this compiled data application to their own companies as well as the general population health, demand for this information will increase, and the revenue generation will, in turn, increase as well. The collection of this data will lead to individuals leading healthier lifestyles through incentivized benefits such as healthcare discounts. Patients will benefit by having their healthcare systems be more involved in tracking their health and providing support during emergency situations. A more unified effort of tracking data necessary to facilitate healthcare information will benefit societal health. A better support by healthcare systems will occur due to expanded healthcare monitoring of general population health trends. The data will allow healthcare research to lead to more innovation and advancement in the field.